Printer ink refill, step by step. Refilling your printer's ink cartridges can save money, but it requires careful handling to avoid leaks or damage. Follow these steps for a successful refill. Step 1. Remove the ink cartridge. 1. Turn on the printer and open the cartridge access door. 2. Wait for the cartridge carrier to move to the center. 3. Press down lightly to release the cartridge and remove it. For some printers, you may need to unlock a latch first. Step 2. Locate the refill holes. Most cartridges have small refill holes covered with a sticker or plug. If no hole exists, you may need to drill a tiny hole. Use a 1 to 2 millimeter drill bit. Step 3. Refill the ink. For standard ink cartridges, 1. Insert the ink syringe into the hole. Don't push too deep. 2. Slowly inject ink, typically 3 to 5 milliliters per color. Black to our 8 to 10 milliliters, yellow 3 to 5 milliliters each 3. Stop if ink starts dripping from the print head. 4. Seal the hole with tape or the original plug. For sponge-based cartridges, 1. Drip ink slowly onto the sponge, prevents air bubbles. 2. Wait 5 minutes for absorption before adding more. Step 4. Clean the print head if clogged. Gently wipe the metal contacts and nozzle area with a lint-free cloth dampened with distilled water. For stubborn clogs, soak the print head in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes, then dry. Step 5. Reset the ink levels if needed. Some printers require a chip resetter tool sold separately. For others, hold the stop or reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 6. Reinstall and test print. 1. Reinsert the cartridge firmly until it clicks. 2. Run a nozzle check and cleaning cycle from printer settings. 3. Print a test page to ensure quality. Done more updates? Subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.